The 2007 Ford Taurus. This is it. Crafted by an obsessive engineering and design team, the Taurus was created to compete with some of the world's best. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, front air conditioning, alloy wheels, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, rear window defroster, power seat. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.